So here is my Insta account. So you can click that follow button. You can contact me at any time for any kind of technological queries. I'm ready to help you. On the other end, for web designing or any other courses or internships, if you want to contact us, yes, I'm ready to help you. Here is the contact number to contact us. Web designing HTML 27th video, we're going to talk about the fill styles. So the style of the lines, one, the rectangles. So what kind of designs I want in the rectangle. And the third thing is like filling and arc, drawing an arc. Such kind of things we are going to discuss today. Let's move on to the topics learning link. This link is available in the description and in the first comment. Over here, as I told you, you got your line cap property. So in line cells, we are going to see about 4 different properties. The one is line cap property, line width, lineJoin, and miterLimit property. So line cap in the sense like I'm drawing a line, how I want a curve or a clear line or something like that, you can specify it. So I'll take my example and I'll try to explain it to you. So obviously, since I got my line to be drawn, it should be in the canvas. Everything should be placed in the body tag, one. And create a canvas in the body tag. And afterwards in the script tag, because via the JavaScript you'll be doing some processing over there. So you'll be having a canvas here and you got your script tag here. So in the script tag, I'm going to have my canvas. I take this canvas, make this canvas as a 2D one, line width, and I'm specifying the line cap, but over here line cap is round. And over here I got my line cap as square. So based on that, I'm trying to get the output here. You're able to see it here, the edges in the butt shape or curve shape or something like that. Okay, so the line cap property will be having, it can be a butt or round or square. You can specify it. So this is how your line cap property is. I can have a stroke rect, fill rectangle, clear rectangle. Obviously, fill rectangle in the sense like it will try to fill your rectangle. So I draw a rectangle, and I'm trying to fill it like this. I'm drawing a rectangle, I can fill it like this. So you are able to see the code here. Okay, that's your fill rectangle. Stroke rectangle in the sense like creating a stroke, a line, the outer border. So I want a border like this. That is a stroke rectangle. And your clear rectangle in the sense I got my rectangle, and in this rectangle, a center space, I want a open space. Yes, you can do it. That is your clear rectangle. This is how your clear rectangle works. And these are things you are able to do it under the line styles. The next one is a rectangle. Rectangle in the sense like you're drawing a rectangle. Oh, that's the one I've seen it. Okay, so sorry. Like I finished my rectangles. Oh, I missed this line styles. Over here I got my line width, lineJoin, and miterLimit property. So like I jumped into rectangle, sorry for that. Let me explain about the line width. How you want this line width should be. You are able to specify it. And the lineJoin property in the sense like how you want, like I want to join a line with another line like this. And I want to specify how much distance or how much the size should be specified. That can be specified using miterLimit property. So this is how you people can do it. And finally, I'm going to talk about the paths. Paths in the sense like, sir, I want to create a rectangle or create an object, I want to fill it. So you'll be using this fill method. And I want to draw an arc. So you'll be having an arc method. So arcTo method. So stroke, beginPath, moveTo, arc method, arcTo method, isPointInPath, bezierCurveTo. I've taken some of the things. Stroke in the sense like I want to like create an arc, a design, something like that. In that case, that is called as stroke. You are able to give a stroke like this, and it's not a defined structure. That is your stroke. We can specify it using stroke, and you can specify the style of the stroke, color, you can specify it. So this is your stroke. And stroke 2, from where to where I want, you can specify it using this stroke 2. Oh, it's not here, so I didn't open that one. beginPath, whenever you are trying to create an arc, an undefined structure, you need to start it. You need to give the first line as beginPath. So that is the first line you need to specify. You are able to see it here. The script tag is here, and over here I'll try to show it to you. Okay, so over here you will have the beginPath. So that is the first point you need to specify it while creating an arc. And over here I got my moveTo. So from where I want to move and draw my arc, That's where your moveTo method, and arc is a method used to create your arc. arcTo, from where to where I need to move it, that is your arcTo method. So arcTo, from here to somewhere I need to move an arc. You're able to see it here. This is my arc. Okay, the arcTo method. isPointInPath. You are able to see it here. If there is, I can specify a condition. So while drawing an arc, is there anything like I'm cutting it, I'm touching something, an arc is there, I want to draw a rectangle which should not disturb your rectangle. So such kind of things is called isPointInPath. And finally, bezierCurve. This is kind of an algorithm to create a curve. For that, we can use bezierCurveTo method. So this is how you are able to use your HTML in designing your line styles, rectangles and paths. So in my next video, I'm going to talk about the transformation, text, image drawing, pixel manipulation and compositing.